Hello. Today, we're going to be talking about how to perform material purchase operations. Under purchasing, we can view all our purchase orders, create a new purchase order, we can view all our vendors, we can create the requisition, and we can item the reorder list, right? So let's start by viewing our purchase order. So once you click on it, you'll see all our purchase orders in one place. As you can see in system, I have 49 item like purchase orders on the top, on the bottom right here, as you can see here. So yeah, again, let's take this as an example. The first column, we can see our purchase order number with the vendor name. You can see the order total or here under here. You can see the status is being built. You can see it's been entered on this date and placed by this person. You can also see under which stock room with the dates been expected. And you can also see the exchange right here as well. We also have the currency. Let's make this bigger. Currency ID. We also have a vendor invoice total here as well if it is it's an option. We also can create a brand new purchase order by clicking create purchase order. So once we click on it, we're gonna have to put the vendor name, the vendor quota with the cost center, which currency. We can put a type is purchase order, and the status is being built. Below that, we're gonna have to choose our line items, right? So under the stack room, we have to choose our GL account and date that been expected, right? Under general info, we're gonna have to put our general info such as work order number. We have to search it with the project, task, asset, and lastly, we're gonna have to put our vendor info. So AutoSum format, in what format do you like, if it's gonna be email, fax, or none, right? So if it is email, we can put the email too. So we have that option. All right, so this is how to create a purchase order. We can also view all our vendors as well. So in here, we have 7 vendors right now with the system with their ID. We can see the name and with their address. So we can view our vendors. We can also receive purchase orders. So we have that option here. So when we click on receive purchase orders, that you can see all the purchase orders that have been received with the purchase order number, vendor name, the order total, as you can see on this column, again with their status and the dates been entered and so forth. Thank you.